Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into YouTube Studio with the channel you'll publish from. Once logged in, open the left menu and select Audio Library to access free music and sound effects. This keeps your content copyright safe. Make sure to preview tracks so you hear the full mix before downloading. Look at the license label to see if attribution is required. Once done, click the download icon to save the file locally so you can import it into your editor immediately. Now refine your search using filters, genre, mood, duration, and whether attribution is required to narrow options quickly. Once you select a track, scrub through timestamps to find the right segment rather than importing the whole file. This saves editing time. For shorter cues, use the Sound Effects tab. Make sure to note bitrate and exact duration so music fits your edit. After choosing, download and organize files into a project folder named for the video to stay efficient. Finally, import the downloaded audio into your video editor and balance levels. Lower music track by 612 dB or use ducking to prioritize your voice. Make sure to add required attribution exactly as shown in the audio library description when you upload the final video. This prevents strikes. Render a short test clip and watch for sudden volume spikes. If the audio library is missing or downloads fail, clear your browser cache, sign out and back in, or try an incognito window to resolve account or caching issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.